I still live it here. Today we're gonna do this amazing Minecraft map. Look at my skin. It's now Christmas. Today let's get on in the map. Before you go to the minecart, I want you to know that this next will be 100% like the original deletes, not because the deletes are not available yet. That means I can get the original rhythm, and it's hard to create new song using Rails. I tried my best to get the rhythm goes perfectly, so please FNAF fans, don't hate me. You know what, I don't hate you. If it's raining, wait until the rain stops and have fun. Made by Batman 1987. Follow my Twitter. I'm Batman 1987. If you're like for YouTube, hi YouTube. New map welcomes. Okay, let's try this one first, guys. Wait, this song is beautiful. That nice